How to overcome the fear of speaking English. Speaking English can feel scary, especially when you are afraid of making mistakes. Many English learners understand grammar, know vocabulary, and can read well, but when it comes to speaking, they freeze. They feel nervous, their minds go blank, and they worry about being judged. If you have ever felt this way, you are not alone. Fear of speaking English is common, but the good news is that you can overcome it. Today, we will talk about why this fear happens and how you can build confidence to speak English fluently and naturally. Why are you afraid to speak English? Before we talk about solutions, let's understand the reasons behind this fear. Most English learners struggle with speaking because of three main reasons. 1. Fear of making mistakes. You are worried that you will say something wrong and people will laugh at you. 2. Fear of being judged. You think that native speakers will not understand you or that they will think your English is bad. 3. Lack of confidence. You don't believe in your own abilities, and you hesitate when you try to speak. These fears stop many people from speaking English, even when they already know enough to communicate. Now, let's see how to overcome them. Change your mindset about mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning any language. Think about how children learn to speak. They make many mistakes, but they don't feel embarrassed. They keep speaking, and over time, they improve. Instead of feeling bad about mistakes, see them as opportunities to learn. When you make a mistake, you are learning something new. Native speakers are usually kind and understanding. They don't expect you to be perfect. They appreciate your effort. To practice this mindset, try this simple exercise. Every time you make a mistake, write it down and then write the correct way to say it. Review these notes regularly. Over time, you will notice improvement. Start with small speaking challenges. You don't need to start with long conversations. Begin with small steps. Practice speaking alone. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day in English. Read aloud. Take a short text and read it out loud every day. Record yourself. Choose a topic. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute and listen to your recording. The more you practice in a safe space, the more comfortable you will feel when speaking with others. Find a speaking partner or community. Speaking with other people helps you build confidence. Find a partner who is also learning English or join an online language group. There are many apps and websites where you can find language exchange partners. The key is to practice regularly. If you don't have a partner, talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing throughout the day. For example, when cooking, say, "Now I am cutting vegetables. Next, I will boil water." This simple habit makes speaking feel more natural. Use simple and clear English. Many learners try to speak perfectly with complex sentences, but this makes speaking harder. Instead, start with simple sentences. For example, instead of "I would like to participate in this event," you can say, "I want to join this event." Instead of "I have been considering going to the gym," you can say, "I am thinking about going to the gym." Simple English is still correct and effective. Once you feel comfortable, you can add more complexity. Focus on understanding, not just speaking. One big fear is that native speakers will talk too fast and you won't understand them. To improve your listening skills, listen to slow English podcasts and repeat what you hear. Watch English videos with subtitles, then try watching without them. Write down useful phrases that you hear and practice using them. The more you listen, the more familiar English sounds will become, making speaking easier. Practice every day, even for a few minutes. Speaking English is like learning to play a musical instrument. If you practice every day, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, you will improve much faster. Here's a simple daily routine. Morning. Read a short article and say a few sentences about it. Afternoon. Listen to an English podcast while commuting or taking a break. Evening. Practice speaking with a partner, record yourself, or write a short journal entry in English. A little practice every day is better than a lot of practice once a week. Be patient and kind to yourself. Fluency takes time. Don't compare yourself to others. Instead, compare yourself to who you were yesterday. If you practice consistently, you will improve. Stay positive and enjoy the learning journey. Final thoughts. You can do it. Fear of speaking English is normal, but it should not stop you from learning. Start with small steps, practice daily, and remember that mistakes help you grow. Speak with confidence and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey. Your support helps us create more useful content for English learners. See you in the next video.